So here's what I would do if I had to start everything over. The first thing I would do is find a product to promote as an affiliate. Now, if you didn't know, there's plenty of companies out there that will pay you every time that you send them a customer. And the most popular company that will pay you to do this is Amazon. In order to get started, all you have to do is scroll down to the homepage and click on Become an Affiliate. And then you're going to sign up, fill out an application, and then you can start promoting products that are sold on Amazon. So once you decide on a product that you want to promote, the next thing to do is start creating content on social media. I would recommend to stick with one platform until you learn how to master it, and essentially create content around that product. You can do something like a review, a demonstration, a comparison to a similar product, and you want to direct that traffic to where they can purchase that product if they're interested. Now you can direct any of that traffic to Amazon's website where they can purchase that product for themselves. But in this case, I would recommend that you create a landing page where you're going to collect someone's name and email address before you send them to the checkout page on Amazon's website. And if they purchase that product, then you would earn a commission. Now, the reason why you want to collect someone's name and email address before you send them to the checkout page is because let's say somebody makes it to the checkout page, but they don't purchase that product. Now you can follow up with them through a series of emails, just reintroducing them to that product. Now, this is all a pretty simple concept, but there's a lot more to it if you want to become successful with it, such as picking a niche and finding products that are related to that niche that you're in. Now, if all this sounds confusing, I recently created a step-by-step tutorial on my YouTube channel showing you how to get started with affiliate marketing. If you want to check it out, all you got to do is click on the YouTube play button on my profile to get to my channel.